Hello, this tutorial guides the users on how they can use text widgets in their layouts. You first need to log in to centryx.cremsentplayer.com. Click on the Creative menu option and then the Layout submenu option. This will take you to the list of layout currently available in your account. Click the Edit Design icon next to the layout that you want to work with. This will open your layout in the Layout Designer. To display any text on your layout, you need to use the text widget. Simply drag the text widget from the widget bar and drop it anywhere on your canvas. The widget is drawn on the canvas with a default property. You can view and modify the text and its properties for this layout. If the text properties are not open, you can double-click on the text to open the text properties window. You can also open the text properties via the widgets list. In the properties, you should rename the widget first. This becomes helpful when you have multiple widgets on your layout. You can click on the left arrow to increase the size of the drawing window. Enter your message in the text area. You can use different options available just above the text area. You can align your text. You can change the font of all the text or just a selection of text. Similarly, you can change the font size, its foreground color, or the background color for the text. Selected text can be made bold by pressing Ctrl+B. You can use the Moving Effect property to convert your text into a text marquee moving in the specified direction. You can control the speed with which your text moves around. You can remove the background color to make your text transparent. Or you can specify a solid background to it. Layers help you decide which content will be drawn first. You can consider the layers as the sequence in which the contents are drawn. Widgets with the lower layer get drawn first. Widgets with the higher number are drawn on top of the lower numbers widgets. Opacity controls the transparency of your widget. With a higher number of opacity, the content behind the widget becomes visible. Once you have made changes to your text, you can click on the Save button. If your text widget has a higher value layer, it will be drawn over the image or any other widget. You can move the widget around and resize it as per your intended design. The changes you made on the Layout Designer canvas are visible on the preview as well. Once you are done with your changes, publish your layout and make it available to be used schedule.